Let's learn how to install a new memory stick in your LEXMARK CX860 printer right now. Power down your printer by holding the on-off button for 5 seconds. Remove the cord from the power receptacle and from the printer. Remove the rear panel plate by taking out the 4 hex head screws that hold the panel in place with a flathead screwdriver. After removing the last screw, the plate will be free, and you can lift it out and set it to the side. The memory slot is located just to the right of the fan assembly, in the center of the board. Notice the slot on your memory stick. Notice where the slot is at the insertion point. This is a safety to prevent you from installing the stick the wrong way. Slide the stick gently into the memory slot and press down until you hear it lock into place. Reinstall your rear plate and power the machine back up after you reinstall the power cord. If this video helped you, leave a comment, press the thumbs up icon to like it, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.